Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, I am going to give you a roadmap that how you have to prepare your IELTS listening module. This is not going to be about each and every question, but it's going to be just an overall strategy that how you have to deal your IELTS listening. So first in the foremost thing that you have to do is that you have to listen to English a lot. Like, I would not say about for listening only, I would say for all the modules that you are going to prepare. Look, the time that you have set now that I am going to prepare my IELTS for 1 month or for 15 days or 2 months, whatever the time period you have, in that specific time period English should be your top priority, and it should be in everything, whatever you are doing, whatever content you are watching, whatever with whomsoever you are talking, that all should be in English. So English को आपका ओढ़ना बिछोना होना चाहिए in that specific time period. So first and the foremost thing while talking about listening is that you have to listen to English a lot. You have to listen to English for 1 or 2 hours at least. I'm using the word at least here. That minimum there should be 1 or 2 hours of English listening, and that could be about any topic. You don't need to go for the difficult topics or topics related to IELTS, that how you have to prepare for IELTS and this and that. No, that should be your relaxing time. You can watch a movie, you can watch or you can hear a podcast about any topic that excites you, about mental health, about interview of your favorite celebrity, but that should be in English. So the first thing is that you have to listen to English a lot. Then you have to listen to English of different accents: American accent, British accent, and Australian accent. English should be there in each accent that you have to listen to. So that is the second important thing. The third important thing in that preparation stuff, like you don't have to for example, you just heard or you just listened to the English podcast or movies for 3 days and then you said, no, I'm going to start my preparation now. This is not going to be the thing. I said that for the specific time period that you have set, you have to continue listening to that. Even if you are getting 35, 36 or 40 out of 40 in your listening, still you have to listen to that English till the day of your final exam. So that thing is just in your habit now for this specific time period. This is what you have to do. You have to listen to English for 1 or 2 hours. That could be about any topic, and you have to listen to that in different accents. And the third thing, you have to watch it or listen it without subtitles. There should not be any subtitles. If you don't understand that, it's okay. After 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, you will be able to understand that a little bit. And then after 10 days, you will be able to understand that completely. Like if you have the know-how of basic English language. So this is the thing about that. So yeah, I hope that you will be able to do that. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Bye.